Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to change affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So let's start. The sun has risen. The sun hasn't risen. He is late. He isn't late. She killed the snake. She didn't kill the snake. Rohan goes to school. Rohan does not go to school. Sona bought a car. Sona did not buy a car. He is doing his work. He is not doing his work. Riya ran fast. Riya ran fast. Riya didn't run fast. The sun sets at 6:30 p.m. The sun does not set at 6:30 p.m. She lives in Mumbai. She doesn't live in Mumbai. Neha can speak Marathi. Neha can't speak Marathi. She has solved this sum. She has not solved this sum. This is a cow. This is not a cow. She is at bus stop. She is not at bus stop. I am a teacher. I am not a teacher. He is my brother. He is not my brother. He had worked. He had not worked. They will come. They will not come. They have been there. They haven't been there. He is a chairman. He is not a chairman.